they're going to be doing the burping challenge. I don't know how to burp, so I'm not going to do it, so I'm going to record them. Hope you like this video. Bye.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
You done yet?
Not until one of us talks. Oh jeez. Okay, I lost. Okay.
I won!
So Max won the burping challenge.
I always win.
Strike it. Okay. Strike it. Pose it. Forfeit. Bye.